Still no water to the line. And this guy's blocking the whole damn road so he can film. The can man. I think there might be some ammo in that car. It's been popping and banging like fireworks. I'm getting out of smoke in case you're wondering what I'm doing here. I'll stand in the shade. So it's between the former Chick-fil-A and Taco Bell. Swisher Road. Been a busy week. Oh, now we got water. Look at that. I don't think those are tires going off. I've been to a lot of car fires. Whatever that fluid is in there, it's not gasoline because it keeps coming out like diesel. Pouring out on the ground. Real suspicious. To me anyway, being a former firefighter. Still coming out, running out on the ground. That's not gasoline. Hey Dennis, what's going on? Kind of a suspicious fire. It has some kind of flammable liquid that keeps leaking out of the bottom of it. And again, it is not gasoline because gasoline will explode like a can. And this is running out on the ground like diesel. And it just keeps setting off those big bangs. Every time it does, we get new fluid coming out. And it reignites. We're trying to hit it with a foam. The foam is the best for it because it sucks the oxygen right out of it. They're moving that squad because that whatever that liquid was on fire, running right on top of the water, draining. So, very curious. All right, they've got it pretty much shut down now, so I'm gonna wrap it up. Appreciate you all watching, and you know the deal. Leave a comment, like, comment, subscribe. You know, as always, we'll see you down the road. Thanks for watching.